Meaning of harmfully.
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 Harmfully. The term harmfully refers to an action or behavior that causes harm or damage to someone or something. This can be physical, emotional, or psychological harm. The result of behaving harmfully can be devastating, leading to injury, illness, trauma, or even death. The effects of such harmful behavior can be far-reaching, impacting not only the victim but also their loved ones and the wider community. Therefore, it is crucial to avoid engaging in any actions that could potentially cause harm and instead promote positive, constructive behaviors that lead to the betterment of society.